How to buy TonCoin with USDT and TonKeeper. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to buy Ton with USDT and TonKeeper. Whether you're on iPhone, iOS, or Android, buying TonCoin with USDT and TonKeeper mean exchanging your USDT for Ton within the TonKeeper wallet app. So to buy TonCoin with USDT and TonKeeper, first open the TonKeeper app on your phone. Once it's open, you should see your wallet. Look for the swap option, then tap on it. Once you've tapped on swap, you'll see two options, send and receive. We want to buy Ton, so we're going to be sending USDT. Let's change the send currency to USDT. Great, now we want to receive Ton, so let's go to the receive section and select Ton. Perfect, now we've set it up to send USDT and receive Ton. To buy Ton, simply enter the amount of USDT you want to swap in the designated field. For example, let's say you want to buy Ton with 10 USDT. The app will automatically calculate the amount of Ton you'll receive based on the current exchange rate. I don't have enough USDT in my wallet for this transaction. Just a quick reminder, make sure you have sufficient USDT in your TonKeeper wallet before proceeding. Once you have enough USDT, you'll be able to click on the Confirm button to complete the swap. That's it. After pressing Confirm, you have successfully purchased Ton with USDT using TonKeeper. It's a straightforward process, but always double-check the details before confirming any transaction. And this is how to buy TonCoin with USDT and TonKeeper. If you have any questions about TonKeeper, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.